I've uncovered 13 websites that offer daily pay, with potential earnings of up to $50 per hour on some of them. My team and I invested over 100 hours of research for this video, aiming to present the absolute best opportunities, including some lesser-known ones. In fact, I'm almost certain that you haven't heard of the top contender on our list. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Starting with number 1 on our list, we have virtualbabysittersclub.com. While the name might not immediately grab your attention, it represents one of the most ingenious business concepts I've encountered in a while. Essentially, as a virtual babysitter, your role involves interacting with children through a screen, ensuring their safety, and keeping them entertained. This platform also offers childcare services with a variety of activities, such as magic tricks, balloon art, juggling, kids comedy, and virtual art projects. Raising children can be incredibly demanding, leaving parents with little to no free time. Virtual Babysitters Club addresses this challenge by providing a solution that allows parents to attend to their work or personal needs while their children are engaged and supervised. The company emerged during the pandemic when parents struggled to balance remote work with childcare responsibilities. Testimonials online suggest that virtual babysitters earn approximately $9 to $27 per hour, making it a lucrative opportunity for those who enjoy working with children. It's relatively easy to get started, although a knack for childcare is essential. With stable work prospects and the potential to earn a full-time income online, I rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. Next is Handycom, a platform that connects individuals in need of household services like cleaning, repairs, and installations with professionals capable of completing those tasks. While you might assume that only professionals can offer these services, Handy.com offers a wide range of tasks suitable for anyone willing to learn. These tasks include home cleaning, furniture assembly, TV mounting, wall hanging, bathroom and kitchen remodeling, major renovations, office cleaning, rental cleaning, home theater setup, and various other assembly and installation services. Many of these tasks are relatively straightforward and can be learned by watching tutorials online. Handy.com also provides services that may require more expertise, such as plumbing, electrical work, painting, and window treatments. Additionally, they offer moving assistance and smart home setup, which may require specialized skills or equipment. While specific pay rates are not openly disclosed on the website, testimonials and reviews suggest that cleaners typically earn $9 to $16 per hour, while handymen earn around $18 to $20 per hour. Certain jobs like moving can even earn up to $40 per hour. If you're willing to get your hands dirty and put in some effort, Handy.com offers a great opportunity to earn extra income. I rate this opportunity a 9 out of 10. Now, let's discuss eJury, an intriguing online platform where participants review legal cases and provide feedback to attorneys, assisting them in trial preparation. Essentially, it allows individuals to act as jurors from the comfort of their homes without the drama of a courthouse. It's worth noting that eJury is just one of several websites offering this service, including onlineverdict.com, jurytest.net, and others. Payment methods and rates vary among these platforms, with some paying via PayPal or check, and compensation ranging from $12 to $25 per hour or per case. Participating in eJury or similar platforms not only provides a legitimate way to earn extra income, but also offers an interesting glimpse into the legal system and different court cases. Unlike mundane online surveys, this opportunity can be engaging and educational. So, If you're interested in earning money while gaining insights into legal proceedings, this could be a rewarding option for you. Next, I'll discuss 4 prominent websites that cater to freelancers: Freelancer.com, Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, and Guru.com. Freelancing entails offering your services as a contractor for short to medium durations, ranging from a few hours to several months, with the potential for long-term partnerships in some cases. Each of these platforms has its unique features and focus. Fiverr.com primarily facilitates one-time service transactions where freelancers complete tasks in a short time frame, typically not leading to ongoing collaborations. Upwork.com, on the other hand, is geared towards higher-tier jobs that often involve longer-term commitments, spanning weeks or months. Guru.com and Freelancer.com fall somewhere in between, offering a mix of short-term and medium-term projects. While freelancing presents numerous opportunities, many individuals make a common mistake of not specializing enough in their services. Offering a broad range of services may seem appealing, but it often signals a lack of expertise to potential clients. Instead, successful freelancers specialize in a very specific niche. For example, someone might focus exclusively on designing landing pages and crafting copy for ClickFunnels. Specialization allows freelancers to establish themselves as experts quickly and command higher rates. Finding a niche you're passionate about, skilled in, and pays well is crucial for freelancers. By focusing solely on that niche, freelancers can maximize their earning potential. Platforms like Upwork showcase freelancers who have mastered specific skills and command high hourly rates as a result. Freelancing offers an excellent opportunity for those who enjoy autonomy and flexibility. However, success often hinges on finding the right niche and specializing in it. I rate freelancing as a 9.5 out of 10 opportunity due to its potential for lucrative income and professional growth. Additionally, learning skills related to tech sales can be incredibly valuable in the freelancing world. Tech sales, particularly B2B sales in the technology sector, offers lucrative opportunities for entry-level positions like business development representatives. These roles involve lead generation and qualification, with the potential to earn up to $70,000 per year, plus bonuses. Interested individuals can explore free training offered by companies like Course Careers to kickstart a career in sales. Combining Etsy and Printful offers a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to market unique physical products without the hassle of fulfillment logistics. Etsy serves as a marketplace for creative and original products, while Printful handles the fulfillment aspect, streamlining the process for sellers. By leveraging this partnership, entrepreneurs can focus solely on designing products, leaving marketing and fulfillment to the platforms. While initial marketing efforts may be necessary, some products have the potential to go viral, as demonstrated by success stories like that of a woman who turned a $100 investment into $1 million business overnight. Printables, digital arts sold as digital files, are particularly popular on platforms like Etsy, offering a cost-effective way to enter the market without inventory overheads. The print-on-demand model eliminates the need for inventory storage and shipping, making it a cost-effective option for entrepreneurs. As the print-on-demand industry continues to evolve, especially with the potential for 3D printed items, the opportunities for growth are significant. Therefore, combining Etsy and Printful presents a compelling opportunity, earning it an 8 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving on to YouTube educational channels. This presents a highly lucrative opportunity for individuals to establish a personal brand and generate substantial income. With notable figures like billionaires and successful business owners turning to YouTube to share their expertise, it's evident that creating content is the key to success in today's digital landscape. The rise of personal branding underscores the importance of paying attention to what successful individuals are doing, rather than what they're saying. YouTube offers unparalleled potential for building authority, establishing a brand, and monetizing content. Channels, even those with modest subscriber counts, can generate substantial income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and other revenue streams. YouTube's versatility and earning potential make it a standout opportunity, earning it a perfect 10 out of 10 on the opportunity score. For individuals serious about capitalizing on this opportunity, coaching and consultation services are available to guide them toward success in the YouTube ecosystem. Looking at Stuff, facilitated by websites like Wegolook.com, offers an intriguing opportunity for individuals to earn extra income by providing feedback on various items. Tasks may include inspecting interior or exterior designs, identifying hazardous elements in houses, or assessing damaged cars. While it may not typically yield a full-time income due to the limited number of gigs available, some users report earning around $1,000 per month, with hourly rates exceeding $20. This opportunity scores a 7 out of 10. Udemy, a platform for creating and selling online courses, presents a compelling opportunity for those knowledgeable in specific subjects. With the potential to automate income generation through course sales, individuals can leverage their expertise to earn passive income over time. While it may require significant upfront effort to develop courses, the long-term earning potential is high, warranting an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. TextBroker and similar platforms offer another avenue for earning income by writing articles, SEO-optimized blogs, and YouTube scripts. Niche specialization is crucial for maximizing earning potential and perceived value. While some individuals manage to earn a full-time income through writing, there is a ceiling on income due to the finite amount of work available. However, efficient use of AI tools can help increase productivity. TextBroker earns a 7.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Tutor.com is an online platform connecting students with tutors across various subjects, including math, history, science, English, chemistry, and biology. Tutors typically earn between $10 to $24 per hour, although exact rates aren't specified on the site. Unlike other tutoring platforms, Tutor.com exclusively hires tutors from the US, offering higher pay rates due to the country's higher cost of living. While starting requires certain computer equipment like a quality webcam and computer, it presents a lucrative opportunity, earning an 8.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.